The Torah tells us in great detail the divine intervention of how HaKadosh Baruch Hu orchestrated this entire story of Yosef going down to Mitzrayim and the two servants of Paro, the butler and the baker. And the Torah describes Vayiktzov Paro al Shnei Sarisa. Paro became angry with his two servants, and each one of them played a role in Yosef eventually being free. Question is, we understand that the butler was directly involved in Yosef coming free because he was the one that eventually told Paro about Yosef interpreting his dream accurately, which led to Yosef becoming the king, and therefore Yaakov coming down to Mitzrayim and the Jews ending up in Galus in Mitzrayim. However, the baker who ended up getting killed, what is the point of him going to prison and him being involved in this entire story? Why did Hashem have to make the two of them make Paro angry and end up in prison? The Meshech Chachma explains that, in fact, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is so detailed that he sometimes goes a step further than he needs to, just to make sure that every single little detail is covered. If you can imagine, the baker is the one that Yosef predicted that based on his dream he would be killed. That's a pretty serious prediction for somebody to make. Yet, Yosef made it. And that is what made the interpretation of the butler's dream seem to be true to the butler. The butler had to believe that Yosef's interpretation was accurate and that he was really speaking in the name of Hashem. And therefore, HaKadosh Baruch Hu covered every single detail and made sure that it happened. Sometimes we question why certain things have to happen. In the bigger picture, so many little details that come into play in our lives. Why did this have to happen, that have to happen? Hashem could have just made the ultimate bigger event, the goal, take place. However, HaKadosh Baruch Hu has to make sure that every little detail in our lives, every single thing, every step that we take, every person we meet, everything has a place in the bigger, larger plan that Hashem has for us.